How to enable Turo Go. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable Turo Go. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account just like I've done here. Now once you're logged in, the first thing to do is for you to check your eligibility. Ensure your car meets the Turo Go eligibility criteria. This includes having a compatible vehicle and being located in the US, the UK, or certain Canadian provinces. And the second thing is that you will have to contact Turo to request a Turo Go device installation. How do you do that? Once you're on the home page, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the box that is displayed, ensure you select Contact Support. So by selecting Contact Support, you'll be taken to the support page. And so on this page, you'll be able to request the installation device, all right, the Turo Go device installation. And so after requesting, you would have to schedule an appointment with an approved installer to have the Turo Go device installed in your vehicle. But first of all, you have to wait for this for this support page to load. So once that's loaded, you can now go ahead to request the installation device. So just move to the bottom right corner, click on the contact us option, then chat with the digital assistant in order for you to get the device. So once you have the device gotten, the next step, like I said earlier, is for you to schedule an appointment with an approved installer to have the device installed in your vehicle. Then after the installation, update your car listing on Turo to include Turo Go. Okay, so you can just go to your car listings, and then once you're there, just update it to Turo Go and then test the Turo Go system to ensure everything is working perfectly. Once Turo Go is enabled, you can manage trips remotely through the Turo app or the Turo website, and that's where you are good to go. So that is it. Thank you everyone and have a good day.